Welcome back, guys. Today, new video. We will do a full analysis on GBP USD of the previous week. So yeah, we will go deeper into every single day, and I'll try to share everything, so my entire process, how I approach a new day, what I will look for, and all of this stuff. So I know a lot of you ask for this type of videos in the comments, so yeah, here we are. So before start, if you enjoy this type of video, let us know, leave a like, comment and subscribe is absolutely free. Let's reach 10k on YouTube, and when we will reach 10k there will be a huge giveaway, so stay tuned and subscribe. So let's go on to the topic of this video. So as I said, we will go from Monday to Friday, and yeah, so let's start. On Monday, what I enjoy to do is focus especially on the Asia session. Don't look too much on the left. So yeah, I simply prefer to understand what happened in Asia, okay? And then if there is nothing clear in Asia, I'll understand what price did on Friday. So during this day, okay, we have a clear, okay, intention to go up, okay. In here Asia is pretty bad, so when we look to the left we have potential, okay, inducement, okay, late in the day. But yeah, we also took out this low here that make a new high, so for me is relevant. Price give a first buy opportunity, create a support level to then take out. So yeah, my approach on Monday was to kind of look for a buy opportunity, okay, until maybe this level here, okay. So yeah, wait for our main session. For me is London. I don't really look at Frankfurt open because I'm not in the chart, so I skip the first movement of the day. As you can see, okay, in coming out of Asia we have clear break of structure to the upside, okay. If you want, we can probably have a kind of, trend line. I don't really like it because it's fractal, okay, fractal liquidity, but you understand the point. We also faking this relative equalize, okay. I know price swept this high, but for me it's still equal, okay. And then, okay, you see now we took out with speed all of this liquidity. This for me, as I said, is fractal. I still use this. This is the low that make to the new high, the break of structure, okay. So now we fake the equal, we create a break of structure to the downside. So now I have set my SMT level, okay. And as you can see, now price induce also Asia low, okay. So very beautiful at this point, okay. Nothing. Now I start to take look for opportunity, sorry, because there is London open, okay. So there is nothing clear now, nothing yet, okay. We have our first break of structure after taking the Asia low, okay. So we have early buyers in the market, so for me this is an SMT reaction on this SMT, and then finally we took out okay, early buyers in the market. So now at this point I will look for entries, clear internal breakout structure, okay. I mean I'll do I'm start to do it fast because the video will become too long. So yeah, this is why I do everything very fast, okay. So for me now this is my point of interest, okay, to look for an entry. Now we have a clear breakout structure, relevant breakout structure, okay. This is internal, this is relevant breakout structure for me. And then let's see if price, I don't remember if price give me an entry. Ah yeah, because we also post it on the previous video. So this was our entry, final TP, this one here. So let's see, okay. Now we create also this movement, okay. Make this entry very powerful, okay, because we also create liquidity before, okay. We also reacting from this area here perfectly, you see, bam, reaction from this area, also kind of relative equalize, so perfectly reaction induce more sellers into the market, with also this breakout structure here. So this entry was 100% valid for me to take, bam, perfect. I know the stop loss is kind huge, but it's the first trade of the week, so I prefer to be safe, not over refine all of this stuff. My first trade of the week, I want to be 100% confident, okay. I want to have a lot of conferences in my favor, so yeah, I can trade the rest of the week with the money that I make on the first trade, so risk free. Price messing around, shaky hands here, okay, shaky hands, but nothing to worry if you have a good broker, okay. This stop loss is safe. You also can see the video on the prop firm, you can choose the one you prefer. If I don't remember wrong, the best prop firm that I use that have a great is not a sponsor, but I really enjoy this prop firm is the Fivers. It's making a great job, okay, and yeah, they have absolutely beautiful spreads, so yeah. Shaky hands, nothing to worries, and then GU messing around. On Monday the price action was very nice on EU, GU is kind messy, but then, okay, if I don't remember wrong, explode to the upside. Kind of fractal channel, nothing I will look for. Okay, yeah, you can have a mini breakdown of this channel, internal breakout structure, but I don't really enjoy this type of stuff. Okay, perfect. Now finally price give our breakout structure. I use this as breakout structure even though it's kind of equal. For me equal is like breakout structure. So at this point I can probably go on break even. Price came back another time, so if you miss this entry or if you probably take stop loss because of the shitty spread, you can also take this opportunity here. Why? Because now we have a nicer inducement of this structure here. Here we don't have any structural inducement, we have just a small shitty channel inducement. This is why I don't like this type of stuff, because it's fractal, it make any sense. So now we have inducement, breakout structure, mitigation, and then price just leave, okay. So my partial zone was that one, and then my first TP is this area, my then last TP was this point here, okay. Why this point? Because simply make this new low, okay. So for me it's relevant. So let's see, price just push higher, okay, inclined be higher with speed finally, and then yeah, let's see, okay, take our TP, so the day's end, it's late, so we can move on to the next day. Let's see, and how can I speed? I think it's okay, 5%. Let's see. I don't want to cut nothing, be completely transparent, so we can also understand what Asia do, okay? Okay, perfect, now the days start. As you can see now, okay, we induce this also structure point, okay, that this point make this break of structure, so liquidity for me relevant, also because we fake the equal, okay, price drop, internal break of structure, so for me this is relevant. This is relevant, a clear SMT, even though it's late in the day, it's a clear SMT, okay, where people maybe want to start selling, okay. So now we have inducement high in Asia, it happens, okay, and we also allow more buyers to just take also this point here, okay. So now when I wake up, okay, what I will do is look the narration of Asia. At this point we only see maybe potential sellers that want to start selling because of this break structure, but also we have buyers here that want to buy because this push make a new high. So for me this is an SMT, okay. As I said, I trade away from this push here because take out this equalize, okay. We the day before we create a lot of liquidity, okay. So I want to approach this day looking for shorts, okay. So let's see what price did, okay. We took out this SMT, okay. We have nothing on the left, really interesting, so I'll not trade, even though price make a reaction from this liquidity grab, okay. I don't like this term, but anyway, so you can understand. I'll never look for a buys because, as I said, I want to trade away from this inducement, okay. So there is no reason to take a buy just because of this inducement. You can see now price react, okay, from this inducement with speed, potentially mitigate this, okay, just ranging. So you can probably have this type of fractal inducement here in London Open, but to be honest, this morning I didn't have nothing really clear, so I just wait, okay, because what I really want to see was this inducement here, this structural inducement, okay, to then take a potential short. Okay, never happened, I remembered. So yeah guys, this convalidate our intention of the day, trading away from this inducement here, okay. So I don't want it, I cannot explain my final target, okay, to look for from this inducement, okay, but we can react, okay, on our price tell his intention. So nothing really to trade this morning. yeah, you can probably take this inducement here, but as I said, I want a structural inducement, so no entry opportunity for me. Now price push lower with lot of speeds. Okay, if you see, now we took out all of this crap here. Okay, if you see, protect this low here, you can see how they protect it, reaction speed, taking out all of this liquidity, protecting this low, leaving equal lows. Okay, a lot of the people, equal lows, I want to take a short until price took them out, but there is no fucking reason. Now price made his work, so we have inducement. Okay, we took out the majority of the liquidity built during the previous day, so now we can looking for buys also because this movement here. Okay, so at this point what I will look for was clear, okay, structural shift. Okay, this one for me was relevant, but it's way too high, so I don't like this mini shitty structure here. It's also kind of trend line or whatever if you go on M1, so I want clear evidence. Okay, this point there is nothing for me to tradable, so I will wait. Nothing really clear. Okay, now we have our breakout structure here. Okay, so now this confirmed to me that okay, price is ready to make his movement, so I want to look for a buy. Sorry, let's see if price came back. Yes, I have this as a potential liquidity to take. Okay, perfect, very beautiful. You see, now we took out this point here. If I don't remember wrong, I shift in M1 sorry, and yeah, I think I'll probably look for this buy here. Okay, no buys. Jump again in M5. Now we see how price react from this area. Okay, you see, you never predict, you simply stay on the chart at your main session and look how price reacting from a potential area. Why this is a potential area? Because we have equal lows here. Okay, and we also grab or take, as you prefer, this liquidity out. Okay, so at this point I want to wait. If price came back down here, I want to wait for a confirmation to then take another buy. Okay, now we took out this, perfect. Came back, reacting from this area. Fuck, I remember this. Okay, now we have this breakout structure. Okay, we have this mitigation here. Okay, this PI here, and this was our trade, stop loss below here. Okay, and TP is on this relative equalize, very clean. Our break-even target is here, and TP1 here, and final TP here. Okay, break-even here, guys, partial, final TP here. Okay, let's see. Okay, faking another. Okay, equal, very beautiful. Let's see, I don't remember if we also break this low. Let's see, no break. Okay, so make this zone irrelevant for me. No clear sellers in the market here. and then yeah, we finally took this liquidity. Okay, so we also close another day, okay, with beautiful 127. If you see, also here the stop loss is a little bit bigger, but I don't care personally. So another day end, you can also see, you see now, oops, too fast. You see how price took this mini inducement and then bam, reaction. Okay, this was too late, but it's always the same. Structural inducement, okay, to target this point here, faking the reaction, SMTs here, fake the reaction, and then push higher. So let's move on the other days. Hope guys you understand. Okay, I cannot go too much deeper, but I think I'll do my best to show everything to make you understand what I do to look at price action. Okay.